The world will never be the same. Areas like artificial intelligence, machine learning, and business intelligence are revolutionizing every aspect of our lives. And it is our duty as citizens of this new digital world to join, understand, adapt, and shape tomorrow's digital economy. I'm Professor Betancourt. I have more than 19 years of experience providing solutions to organizations that use prescriptive, predictive analytics, advanced simulation, optimization, and engineering management to boost sales and profitability. I'm an expert in detecting needs in organizations related to artificial intelligence, machine learning, and business intelligence, and have worked with organizations around the United States and Latin America providing technical solutions to their data needs. Companies like Amazon, Alibaba, Tencent, Snowflake, Tesla, Microsoft, Nvidia, Facebook, and others are investing billions of dollars in artificial intelligence, data analytics, and machine learning. They will become even bigger in the future. Think about a world where there are no human errors, a world where people take algorithmic assisted decisions to avoid mistakes, a world where your productivity can increase 100% fold because you can work non-stop, a world where your organization is continuously learning and improving every single day. This future is being built today. I'm a professor in data science and analytics, software development, computer engineering, and artificial intelligence. And I'm passionate about teaching. Join me to learn more about the tools that will build everybody's future and that will rewrite the history of how to do things right. Atlantis University, change your present, love your future.